Daniel, what are you doing?
You said we're gonna work on flying today.
No, I said we're going to be flapping today. We're doing the flap T sound.
Exactly. How else do we fly? We flap our wings.
Not that kind of flapping. I mean the kind that helps people speak English clearly.
Oh. Welcome back to English Jam.
The flap T sound happens with words like better, where a T occurs between two unstressed vowels. So it's better, not better. With a flap T, the tongue very lightly and quickly touches the roof of my mouth.
Here are some common examples with words that have the flap T in them.
Hey Samantha, you're a real cutie. Ouch! Hi Lisa, you're pretty. Oh, wanna go to the theater, Brittany? Oh. You're beautiful, Pamela. Oh. You're very dramatic looking today, Francine. Oh. Hey Sheila, let's hang out at the water fountain. Wanna borrow my calculator, Bethany? No. Wanna study chemistry together, Gracie? Sheesh. Was it something I said? Angela, let's study mathematics together. No, please.
The D sound here is a very light one, like in the word pretty.
You're pretty.
I'm not saying pretty. It's pretty. This D sound is very light. If it's too heavy, it makes a big mess of the word. The tongue is coming up and touching the roof of your mouth. It's just a quick high five, but not a handshake. Or think of it like your tongue is bouncing off the roof of your mouth, like a ball, so that it can get ready for the next sound in the word.
Here are some tongue twisters to help practice the flap T sound. Pretty Greta petted a little turtle.
He's so little.
That turtle's a real cutie, Greta.
Toby's not a turtle, he's a tortoise.
Don't tortoises need water?
Oh. He's so stiff. Oh. Toby. Toby, no. Oh, no, Toby. Toby. No.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button and give it a like, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, hi, Nancy.